Please, I'm about to go inside. Cam want to throw a snowball at my mama. I don't know how she about to do that. Girl! She thought she put it in reverse. Ooh, 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 ooh. And we about to walk to the stove.
Y'all, guess who here? In the snow.
I'm gonna pick influence.
Let me go first. Funny Mike! Hey, that's burning.
Exactly.
Why would you do that?
What's up, MK family? Today we back with another video, and this video is just me starting because everyone is currently asleep. And guess what? It's snowing. Like, it's literally snowing in Houston, Texas, y'all. The only part of Texas that get it is Dallas, but Houston, Texas, and Louisiana right now, we snowing. We got snow. Everybody cutting up outside. And my house just lame. Jay is back in Baton Rouge. Let me call him for y'all. Jay's back in Baton Rouge. And everybody here just turned down, still sleep. Like, what y'all doing? Still in the bed. So we're about to call Jay because, like, what up?
What y'all got going?
Nothing. Everybody still asleep. So you better come with me to wake everybody up.
Hey, I can't come with you to wake everybody up, but I can show you what it's looking like out there.
Oh, y'all, this is what it's looking like in Louisiana for Jay, y'all.
Ours no bigger than y'all.
Okay, yeah, y'all y'all thicker than ours.
We got buku snow. Look, people outside playing in the snow. You don't see that in Texas.
Nobody is outside right now. That's crazy. And my mama and Cam Cam just got up to brush her teeth. But look at the pond. I don't feel like going outside because I don't got shoes, but I'll show you from right here. Look at the pond. The backyard. Hell no. The pond is not froze because the what is it called? The sprinkler is still going on. I thought they would have turned it off. But hold on. Give you a better view.
Oh, look, this is going sideways and sideways, Myra. Ain't this on the vlog? Ain't this on the vlog, Myra? Ain't this on the vlog? Yeah. Stop playing. Yeah, this nigga singing. Yeah. Stop playing. He gonna take that video and try to show up for the camera.
How is y'all driving in the rain? Oh, he's sliding?
It's up out you, Myra. It's up out you.
All right, y'all, so we outside, and this is how it's looking. Somebody talking to us? That's the camera. I'm dead. Y'all, we outside, and this is how it's looking. They kept the waterfall on, but they normally turn it off. I think Texas ice is melting. I don't know. Turtle talking to us on the thing. We had to put our heater and stuff down, y'all. So don't mind all this. What did he say?
I can't hear you.
We're about to walk to the front. Come on. Let's walk through the side. That's Jay.
Is that Jay?
Yeah.
Oh, we finna go that way?
We finna walk through the side because we don't want to attract no stuff. Oh, look at all this. All that's more. I think Louisiana got more snow than us, to be honest.
You think they did?
I think they, yeah.
Louisiana got
way more snow than we got. So, oh, I thought the gate was froze for a minute. Y'all, nobody's home, so we can't really enjoy it. It's just me and Cam. But this is how we looking. The roads, I guess they cleared them because it was full of snow or whatever. This is crazy. But it's a little deep over here. I ain't too cold yet, but let me not speak too fast just in case. So me and Cam gonna walk around. Do you want to go down there to the pond? We finna go look at the pond from a different angle. Is that my Ugg boots from last year?
Well, these be your Ugg boots from last
No, I said
year.
it's them. I'm talking about it's them the ones I had got.
Yeah, these are only ones I wear.
Oh, they looked different. But we should have been in Baton Rouge, to be honest, because everybody's cutting up, having fun. Jay is having fun, and we're at home bored. But sadly, y'all, at least we got some snow. Huh? Yeah, you can't even look like you can't even pick up this. Like, it's just
It's
terrible. But this part over here deep a little bit. I knew that was gonna be like that.
Don't let my mama see this on her plan.
For real.
Alright, let's go. I'm finna go slap my mama one.
You gonna do that? Oh, girl, you bold.
No?
That's up to you. How you feeling?
Let's do a little one.
No, ain't no let you do a little one. Oh, it's working.
Okay.
Why I feel like snow coming down
Is
again?
this too big for her?
Yeah, that's definitely too big. She gonna be irritated, Cam. Y'all, the snow is coming back down. You smell it? I mean, you feel that?
Alright,
Yeah, y'all, the snow is coming back down. I don't know if y'all can see.
alright, is we going to the back?
The snow is coming back down, yeah.
Yeah,
So we
the
don't
snow
track
coming
everything.
Back down. Now I'm finna do my TikTok.
Y'all.
The snow coming back.
We finna do our TikToks right here. We gonna be back. We done been playing for a little minute. We just did some TikTok or whatever. And my fingers starting to freeze. I'm about to go inside. Cam wanna throw a snowball at my mama. I don't know how she about to do that.
I'm finna do it.
Cam is the most boldest child out of all my mama children. Cause I would never. But I'm gonna catch y'all back. Alright y'all, so I don't know if y'all can see me, but I'm out of breath and I'm cold. My mama done finally got up and came outside with us. And she doing TikToks with us. Cause of course she was gonna get up with us. And look how cute she looking. Girl! She thought she put it in reverse. Ooh, 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 ooh.
From Louisiana.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. For real. Y'all, so that snowball got my mama up. That's crazy.
I'm gonna cook some soup, y'all.
That's what I want, some gumbo. Forget about soup. We finna get something hot. Oh, y'all see how she tried to color coordinate her little outfit? She finally get to wear her little boots she bought, and ain't never get to wear them or whatever. Baby, your mouth is white.
Yeah, around it.
Yeah.
My skin ain't used to this shit.
But yeah, y'all, we been doing TikToks. We cold now. I thought you wanted to put it in reverse.
My white.
They can't see that. Man, it's too cold. You might as well get it over with now.
Alright, y'all. So it is currently what time o'clock? 4:30. 4:30. Kaysen, say hey to the vlog.
Hey, bro.
So my mama is making broccoli, something stew.
This looks so good.
Ooh, that chicken popping. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
We got the chicken on, then it's the chicken right here. And somebody decided to put their own little batch up in the air fryer. And they asked nobody if they wanted theirs in the air fryer.
Y'all want that fried chicken?
Okay. Here you go. How you start it again? Oh, right there. Don't talk about my fingers. Well, oh yeah, we up by ourselves, still jiggling over there. And look at her. It's all Mirah good for. Ain't nobody see your phone, baby. With nobody interested in that that uncellular device. But y'all look, it's going away. Let me see if I can open it up. All right, it ain't nothing right here. But look, y'all, Houston had an inch of snow for 30 minutes. Like, what is this about? Like, I really love the snow, but like, it's going away. Like, y'all see even that part back there? It's just buku sun. It's melting. It's melting, and I'm in disbelief because I really wanted all this snow. Y'all, we got so much backyard. It's a shame. And even over here, like, the snow's still over there a little bit. But other than that, it's gone. Like, we hyped this snow up too much for it to be this little and barely here. Barely here for an hour, maybe. No, because I woke up at 11 o'clock. There's no way this snow should be gone. We should have at least 2 days of snow. Because VR showed out with they snow.
I think we're gonna play some games. Sit like a family. Try to turn the fireplace on. It's not cold.
It's not cold.
We don't need that fireplace on. It'll be a cool little vibe though.
Yeah, we're going to try to turn it on.
Yeah.
What?
I'm scared.
Don't do it then. Don't do it then. But y'all, hey, now I'm trying to show y'all the front yard, but I ain't going to show y'all the front yard. I think that's just too much. But yes, we not doing nothing. It's a boring snow day. I wish I had some friends to call over. We could have got snowed in together. But y'all know, I don't do relations.
They trick y'all.
Huh?
They trick y'all.
They ain't trick me.
Oh, Myra.
All Demond do is
Lie.
But we ain't gonna speak on that because yeah, I don't wanna get it to that. But we ain't doing nothing.
We about to eat.
We about to eat. We about to eat and play games.
Yeah.
And we supposed to make hot chocolate.
Later.
Because I still want some.
Later.
Mama, why we don't do it while we eating though?
I don't want no broccoli cheddar soup and hot chocolate.
Oh, okay. Excuse me. But I thought cocoa was good any time of the day with anything.
It's too sweet.
Oh, well, yeah. Y'all see what we doing. We had to update y'all. Where's my phone? Oh, right over there. But I had to update y'all on what we was doing on these snowed in days. Not really, but just had to update y'all what we was doing.
So I am back up from the sleep I was in. The beauty queen had to get her beauty sleep. And we about to walk to the store.
Y'all, guess who here? In the snow. I don't.
No,
Hey,
they
last clip she called you a lie.
I'm coming.
Right.
Not one time.
Right.
A little update. I'm like, they must have want me to come no more.
No, we really was like, where y'all at?
I still, you see where I'm at?
Y'all, I cannot believe we about to walk to HEB.
We had to walk whenever the lights went out last time.
I had to give Demond one of my jackets because, baby, that little hood wasn't gonna
fresh
do
though.
it. You is.
That's probably why I be getting sick.
Nah, for real. Gave Aaron,
Let's
Turtle,
do a little bit today.
Huh?
We just our
mittens.
face for the walking. We finna
Oh,
go.
I don't like no cowboys.
You gotta make that known, huh?
Well, I can wear them.
I have to let the vlog know too. I don't like cowboys.
Myra got on her ski. Cam got on her.
It's me.
Yeah.
This J hat though. It's from Supreme. And the Fashion Nova, Target.
Period.
Yeah, and I'm over here suited and booted, y'all.
Yeah, you not gonna feel a thing.
I hope
Y'all
I
ready to
don't.
start this walk?
Yeah, I don't think I'm bringing y'all with me on the walk. It's gonna be that cold. I'm not doing it. We gonna let y'all know how it was when we get back. All right, y'all. We done made it back from the store. I'm hot.
Hey, this
Demond.
chicken raw. Who cooked this?
Me, of course.
Open up a restaurant. This is like chimichurri. I'm telling you.
Clock it. Look at them. Myra, how was the walk?
It was cool. I'm surprised I didn't complain.
Yeah. How was the walk?
It was cool. It wasn't really that long.
Yeah. I did.
I like the walk. I
was-
love the cold.
You was talking about the chicken.
I was in the snow every day.
Y'all, I had on that jacket, this jacket. Yeah, I'm hot. I'm sorry.
I'm still cold.
I don't know why, but it was hot in that store. So yeah, they about to make s'mores. I'm gonna set them up so y'all can see them. Stay tuned. Don't talk about me if my lips white. I just came from outside, and it's cold. All right, y'all. So I'm recording a little bit on my phone here so y'all can see the hike. It seemed like we've been walking forever. And look, there are people on the road. Could have gave us a ride. My lips are freezing. Myra, say hey to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Y'all, that seemed like,
We need to hurry up and get to pushing.
yeah. But it's really not that bad out here.
I'm not cool right now. You had to keep me warm, ain't that right?
Yeah. You can't hit each other. You might be too cold.
Right, y'all.
Waiting to make.
Stop talking to me, Cam. Y'all, they about to make s'mores,
I don't know who Myra making.
play some games.
I'm drinking milk.
Oh.
Why you drinking the milk? We need all the milk we can get for
Hey,
the
y'all, and comment
s'mores.
down below who make the best s'mores, because I think I'm going to make the best ones.
Little boy, you done found out you could do it on the microwave.
I've been doing that for years, though, so. Catch up with me.
Alright, we gonna be back. Alright, y'all, this is the game session of our snow
Let
day.
me tell y'all something. Let me tell the vlog something, y'all. This girl told me F you in church.
Oh, what?
Couldn't believe it.
F you in church?
He said,
What did you
He
do?
said, F you in church. Like, I cannot believe that.
You said F you and church?
Yeah.
Oh.
I said, you the one you kept saying name. I'm like, I do not like that girl.
Why she tell you that then? What you did her?
Hold on. I had to put y'all on film. Y'all missed that attitude. For real, what did you do?
No, for real, cause y'all obviously was sexy, so you
No, we was talking about God and stuff, and she said,
Oh my God.
Why she said no? That don't even sound right. Come back.
She was telling me like how she don't. She was like how she don't go to church because something about the church. Then she's like her brother believe in this. I'm like, so what's your brother believe in? She was like, the church is not real, but God is. I'm like, so tell me why.
What is called atheist?
No, she had shown me what it was, but that was not what I was dangling. So I just couldn't. I couldn't. You disrespectful. All right, I already don't like you, so
Yes.
you Captain Who?
You don't got Captain me. You had my sister.
You sure? I'm not Captain. Nobody ever believed me.
All right, so who's next?
Me? I want to go. Hold on.
Next person.
Oh, can I go open the
Yeah,
door?
let's do it together.
Yep.
Open the door,
I
Darren.
got you.
I said Darren. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Why he ain't gonna pick up nowhere?
What's wrong?
Daddy's.
Oh,
my braces
somebody
hurt. I ain't
picked
gonna lie.
you up.
Your neck goes fast, just like mine.
Nobody outside. You know what I'm
So
talking about?
bad.
See, look.
No,
Because you got power chain.
All right, what's next?
Put orange gel all over your mouth.
Your head hurt?
No, it's
I would not.
You
eat
just
that.
gotta-
Oh, you want ibuprofen?
Yeah, please.
That arthritis gonna work for him.
All right, y'all ready?
Hold on, I'm gonna go
The
get
camera recording?
Yeah.
Oh, so they heard me say about that
it.
girl?
They did. The door unlocked, Mama?
Baby, we didn't interrupt it already. You left it unlocked,
Yeah,
right?
he put on our top.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Officer, where you
What
going?
I do? Put it on me. Then I hit this. Okay. Post it.
Go, it's not
Yeah.
funny. You gotta spin it. Just
Yeah.
spin it out
Oh.
loud.
Okay. How about spin it?
Read it out.
You gotta read it aloud first.
Post a very obvious Photoshop picture of on you on your story. Caption it. Feeling good.
That got you. That's you. You
No,
got some
let's
pictures.
do that.
Photoshop.
That's not
You
fair.
got some
Oh,
pictures
okay.
of your muscles.
I don't even got Photoshop.
Yeah, you could do like your six-pack and Photoshop
Okay,
it and be
okay.
like,
Say, feeling good.
How you gonna Photoshop that?
No, I'm just finna go to.
Photoshop it like with little legs or something.
I ain't got no Photoshop.
dang, how you can
I think that's the suck one actually.
Nah, I'm finna take a picture and then use the picture.
That's a good one. I thought that was gonna have to be though.
Can we look at it or how about we look at the deer?
No,
Wow.
flip it over. And
Cause
put
I think that's more juicy.
It could be, depending on
Cause these questions ain't how it is.
For real.
This is a good one.
No, just
Message the last person you ghosted and
Spin it.
message the last person you ghosted.
Wait, let everybody sit down. Hey.
who ghosted you?
Hey.
Glasses and stuff.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. I thought this
Come on, spin
This
the
is gonna-
thing, man. Ooh, yeah.
No, that's not nobody. That's not Ashley.
Alright, you know that's on you. Come on. I don't got time to be playing.
it is say
Last person who ghosted me.
message the last person who ghosted you and ask them if they if they forgot to respond. I ain't gonna lie, I wish they would have gave me this. I would have loved to do that. Cause I know for
Yeah, you would love to take her.
Cam.
no.
How am I supposed to do that?
Just ask if they forgot to respond.
I don't have no last person that ghosted me.
Okay, he did.
So it gotta be somebody else there. Cause that
You.
No, it can't be me. We just
It
gotta
can
see.
be you.
Let me see. Why is it not? Oh, that's nobody. That's false. Or it could have been the mine.
Oh, that's Cam.
What it say?
That's Cam.
Hey, I ain't got no last person that ghosted me.
Yeah, you're
Also-
right. Now we ghosted. Next.
Cause the niggas love y'all, huh?
The mine.
Not saying it like that.
For real.
Man, that boy is crazy.
Let them play it next year, give you a wedgie.
No. That's what I said.
Ain't nobody finna get nobody away from me.
Nobody. You know what?
Say hello. We can't see you.
Alright, it says share your most embarrassing hookup story and let the person and text the person and question the message of the person to your right.
Wait,
shoulder.
what?
Okay.
It say share your most.
Share your most embarrassing hookup story and text the person in a question or message of the person to your right shooter. What? I don't get this.
It say share your most embarrassing hookup story and text the person in question a message of the person
I don't get
You're
that.
right.
Man.
I
I don't get it.
Next.
They use too many words to say.
Just get
Tell
to
the
the
person
point.
next to you your last hookup.
Send a voice memo to somebody about how to properly eat booty. I think Miss Meka gonna get that one.
No, that ain't.
Y'all too close, so how we gonna determine? It's either one of y'all.
I'm about to show y'all.
Send a
This
bitch
is a
to your
cool
dog.
guy.
Tell her how to
Voice
eat some
memo
booty.
to somebody how you properly eat booty.
Shit, I don't know. I don't know how to do that. What you mean send a voice memo?
Okay, if they don't do their what they did.
You got it.
I don't know.
I think this is too explicit for your kids. Next question.
Text a grandparent and Pornhub link.
No, heck no.
What
No,
is
no,
that?
okay,
I know. What type of spin the dead game is this?
Wait, you know what, you guys? We're gonna go to another game. I think this is for the kids. All right, y'all. So we playing another game. I think they're gonna actually play this game.
It's called Tapple.
It's called
There's no way you
Tapple,
can't play this.
and
I mean, this really easy.
I mean, because you don't got to do no dare, so it's pretty easy.
yeah,
You know.
I'm gonna sit this one out and let them play. Watch them work.
That's mine or the mine?
I gotta set everything
Come on,
up.
that's mine. It's his.
That's my Christian. You should help me.
No, just pick them. Like, pick them.
It don't matter where they facing.
No,
Alright.
it's one of them same.
Pet names.
Pet names. No, we don't got no pets. He picking it.
It don't matter.
Or it don't matter who picks.
How we do it? I don't know how to play.
Somebody call up the thing. Aaron,
Yeah.
Here, call it out.
Cat.
Somebody don't know no pet. I
It
don't.
don't matter. It's a pet. You can get
Oh,
any
hey,
name.
I'm just thinking about dogs. Okay.
Bro, what?
Alright, something blue.
Okay, we got. Wait, huh?
Oh,
Something blue? That's hard.
that's hard.
A blueberry.
No, we got to do
We
this.
gotta go on auto. So which one's starting?
Not me.
I'll
Aaron.
start.
All right, you can go this way.
Blueberry.
Press the top when you finish. Press that when
Oh.
you finish. Water. Press that first.
Water.
Press the letter first.
Kangaroo.
Go. Who going?
Oh, my turn. Jacket.
Dolphin.
Ooh, I don't know.
Hold on, you say something that's blue.
Yeah.
A dolphin blue?
Ice cream.
Money.
Cat. The money's not your turn.
Money. I didn't even know it was my turn. I was just going. I'm thinking it's whoever say you just.
No, you gotta go on auto so you can know who out.
Oh well, y'all didn't explain the
All right, new
instructions.
topic. That was hard.
Yeah, that was hard.
That was
That
overly
was-
hard.
You said kangaroo.
Is a dolphin blue?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I
They
thought
got
they
blue
were like
dolphins. I thought
gray.
they was green. Could have sworn the dolphin.
Yeah, I thought they were like gray.
Oh, well.
Okay.
Blue whale. Blue whale.
But I already said water.
Yeah.
Alright, athlete.
No, man.
No,
Nobody
I don't
know
know.
Nobody know these.
Nobody know that but
Athlete.
him.
Athletes. Oh. The girls are definitely not good. But I wouldn't have got it either.
Pets.
I would pick another one.
Yeah.
Furniture.
Mm-hmm.
All right, who's going
that ain't
first?
bad.
I know it's-
Couch.
It's TV.
Yeah.
Or TV.
Sofa.
How you skip me? I was too ready to go.
Press the letter first.
Pillow.
Hello, yeah.
Refrigerator.
That's
Is it
my
my
type
turn?
of furniture, right?
Refrigerator.
No, refrigerator's over the F.
Refrigerator.
Oh, wait.
Mirah.
I don't know. Max.
Oh my God.
Damn.
Coffee table.
Table?
There.
I was gonna do table.
You gotta press it all the way down,
Mess
Mirah.
up out.
We gotta start over.
So, yeah, how you do it again?
Press
Click.
the
I don't
letter
think
first.
y'all know what y'all doing.
Alright.
Press the letter because if you press this first, it could go out on the other person, so they're gonna think.
And I want to let y'all know, television is like appliance, like furniture is like furniture. Sofa,
Bed.
coffee table, yeah.
Curtis.
Oh, okay.
Curtain is.
Not
No, but that it don't matter. Everything that
No.
You know. Who?
Dances.
Yeah, that's come on, let's do it.
Everybody.
You got the dab, jig,
Alright,
everything.
can I start? Cause he in that phone. Can I go?
Go.
Renegade.
It's about some money. That's right.
Jig.
Oh, we want to say what? Shuffle.
Trip out.
Cute. What's the Cupid thingy?
Dougie.
Nay.
The wall dance.
Moonwalk.
Whip. What a Dougie.
It's over there.
It's already down.
No, it's trying to go up.
It was H already gone.
No.
Oh, okay. I was
Hey, that's not over.
Y'all.
New topic.
Oh, new top.
Trip out.
He made sure he got that, y'all.
Couldn't miss it.
No. That's what you tell me to do.
What is it?
Let me go first.
Celebrity.
I'm gonna pick influencers.
Let me go
too,
first.
like.
Funny Mike.
CJ so cool.
Kim Kardashian. The K broke, so pay out.
It's your turn. He just win it.
Oh, Mariah Carey.
Who go is it?
No.
He came.
Lotto.
Group.
Oh, you didn't put down.
Yolo.
It's a J over here. Jalea.
Where is Michael? And I already put that down.
All right.
We go 20 to that
Right
later.
here is.
Come on, this don't even do nothing right here, fam.
It do the same thing.
That's why I said test it out.
Oh, look, talking about it's browning up a little
I
bit.
think it'll work because it's
You gotta
wet.
trust. You gotta trust the process.
You got a lighter?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you know it's working.
It is.
Oh yeah, this working. Cam, come back.
Oh wait.
Oh, it's catching fire. How good it's working. We gotta restart.
Oh yeah.
All right, you could have did it right there.
Oh, I know he'd be on
Wait, they
that.
can't even see y'all. Cam, come back over here. It's working.
I am, Myra. Hold on.
This shit stink.
Stop.
Oh, they can see.
I said
Dang,
the same
Aaron,
thing.
how you get that black that fast?
I don't know. I tried to
If I
blow
beat
it.
that, is it gonna tell me? If I.
Okay, mine's on another.
All right, Chad. I'm finna show you how to really make a s'more. Tune in with your boy. Oh, his burning.
Blow it out. Why you standing doing that?
It's all about how you rotate.
Gotta get extra crispy.
Okay, blow it out now. You're doing too much.
Come on, yelling.
Oh yeah, that's burning.
Exactly.
Mine caught
Why
fire.
would you do that?
That mud look
That's
unedible.
what's a thing that's that burn.
What? That's it.
That ain't gonna be good. I'm sorry to tell you. Yeah.
Don't put
Yeah.
it in the trash right now. Let it cool off.
Right.
You could have waited till everybody got done. It's nasty.
Because that chocolate's still hard. You gotta
Oh,
melt
his
that
teeth
chocolate.
hurt. You know, his teeth still hurt.
Oh my god.
Myra, what are you doing?
All I was doing good and burnt y'all.
Okay, mine's
Not mine,
done.
not all of ours.
I'm done. Mine's done.
I ain't know I'm doing.
Mine.
I ain't even finna make
Oh,
another
yeah.
one because I know it's gonna hurt my teeth.
Right here. Put your cracker in your Hershey.
Oh,
and
you
nut.
distracted. Mine
I
is
think
hurt.
it is.
Y'all, I already made it.
Microwave.
So how y'all melt y'all chocolate though?
In the microwave.
Oh, somebody grab this.
Slow
Oh
it.
yeah.
No,
Good
yours
and burnt.
look just like.
Oh.
Cam, no, that plate can't be in there.
Why are you so loud?
I'm sorry.
Hey, Cam, you almost set us all up on fire.
No, that plate can't be in there. Oh,
That was a reasonable way to
I
yell.
ain't gonna lie. I know how you think.
Get a
I'm
regular.
not even.
Yeah.
Myra,
Get a regular plastic.
Y'all showed this, so y'all wanted that white chocolate.
Are you think that's a good one?
No.
Oh, my thing.
Damn, my shit.
Why mine ain't cooking? I feel like mine the only one that ain't done yet.
My stuff tasted a little burnt, so I just
All right.
tossed it.
It did? Oh, no.
Alright, that's my shit.
Good thing I was paying attention. We all would have died.
Nah, cause God got my
Oh,
back.
that look good.
I know, that's what they
Give
all
me yours,
say.
please.
I'm not gonna lie, I
You
ain't.
gotta tap it.
That don't look
You
good.
gotta do it like the mom doing. He barely putting it on.
You really gotta rotate that mud.
Hey, wait.
He
hold
from
on,
the
no,
campfire.
hold on, listen to this.
You remember that from last time? I told you I'm from the campfire.
I was gonna tell you when I knew.
You know we having campfires at Revive?
I'm
But I gotta pay for
Y'all
that.
coming to Revive with us?
What is
I don't
that?
know what that is.
I ain't gonna lie.
This little church camp.
It ain't nothing y'all want to do.
What you mean by that?
Like,
How you know they don't want to go to Revive?
our church don't ask for money.
Anybody wanna
But
melt
when they
that
do
chocolate
ask for
Is
money, they
it
go.
a lot?
And they go.
It's only 170.
170
Only.
because we got a
Get a plate.
discount. That mother like
I'm about to put Boo Boo
almost
in there.
300 just for something that's going on for 2
Why not put it
days.
in the microwave?
You not melting your chocolate?
Do it for me.
Okay.
I'm
Now put a cracker on there.
This too. Look at that
Oh, I
crunch.
think I melted mine a little
Listen to
bit.
that crunch.
Don't burn my.
Don't nobody eat.
Yeah.
Don't eat it yet, y'all.
Y'all, listen to that crunch in the camera.
Mine's melted too much. I'm gonna eat
Y'all
mine.
hear that?
Cam, didn't I say
Y'all hear
wait?
that? Yeah, I'm telling y'all.
Yours is melted tonight.
Let her do what she wants.
Let me get a bite.
I just told you don't let her shit.
No,
What
the
happened?
things was expanded.
That's exactly why I put my
Yo,
marshmallow
it ain't
in
never
there.
do nothing
Everything
right.
blew up and went everywhere.
Yeah, just go ahead and pass me mine, man.
Oh!
Put it back in for burn. Yo, my side is killing me like.
Mine look like the
I
mine.
ain't have a top.
That means it's like pressure.
I ain't gonna lie. This the one that you burnt? That bit crispy.
Okay, y'all ready?
Oh,
It's okay. We gotta wait on the mine too. Watch it.
That bit crispy.
You eating it? Oh. The mine. All right, come on.
It ain't done yet. You know, you got 15
this
more
chocolate
seconds.
got
All right,
milk.
come on, Cam. 3, 2, 1.
That's when y'all stuff still nasty. The chocolate not melting.
How I tell
Y'all's
you?
melted or no?
1 through 10.
Mine
How I
don't
tell you?
food like that.
That's a little
This
burn.
is-
What happened to yours?
I can't finish it. It hurt my teeth.
Oh, you got a bad tooth?
Alright.
Some bad teeth.
You gotta break the tight. Hey, I like
My teeth don't
mine.
hurt. I can eat everything. That's how my back is breaking. Yours good? Sure don't look like it.
I ain't slow.
I put white
Mine's
chocolate on
good.
mine.
I got too much.
Oh, it smell like mine burning.
I ain't
But
gonna lie.
mine's
I think you
overly melted.
overly cooked the cracker. Why the cracker moving?
Put it in the camera. Show them how you crack
It burned.
It ain't crackering.
I'm finna break the crack burn part off.
Oh, it did. It smelled like
That shit smell like cracker.
It sure do smell burn, but I bet it don't taste burn.
Mine's good.
Now we gotta reheat this.
I think you were trying to make your stuff too perfect, and you just messed
No,
up.
it's perfect. Ain't nothing about too perfect.
okay. I don't like that cookie.
Alright, we finna try mine, y'all.
Alright, y'all. Get in the camera. Turn it.
And what a top it to it.
Oh, do I need to?
Not really.
If you don't want to.
Bro, it would be me like, ah!
Yeah, you did more
It's
than me.
burning.
Yeah,
I
that's
wash
chocolate
my
high.
hand. I don't need to use it.
Oh.
Alright, I don't even think it's meant for me to eat this real quick.
Yeah. You don't need that.
S'mores is always so messy.
Wait,
I can lie, it look good.
Hey, it's good
All
though.
that stuff look good. This shit watered down.
He's not even too hot to do.
Hey, this one right here, we done with this?
What y'all rate it? Yeah.
10.
Mine's a 10 too.
Mine's is good with the white chocolate.
So yeah, peace y'all.
I ate on my
We
bad
gonna be
too.
back.
Well, y'all, everybody is sleeping. He got the damn heater up there. Mirah over there. I don't know where Cam went. In her room? Oh. Well, that's night for the snow day, y'all. Bye.